Today we shall know the history of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an integral part of our lives, revolutionizing industries and shaping the future of humanity. But how did we get here? Join us as we delve into the captivating history of artificial intelligence. The story of AI begins in the 1950s, a time of burgeoning technological innovation. Pioneers like Alan Turing laid the groundwork with his landmark paper proposing the Turing test, a benchmark for gauging a machine's intelligence. In the following decades, researchers embarked on ambitious projects to create intelligent machines. The logic theorist and general problem solver were among the earliest AI programs, designed to mimic human problem-solving abilities. However, the road to AI supremacy was fraught with challenges. The 1970s and 1980s witnessed what came to be known as the AI winter, a period of skepticism and reduced funding due to unmet expectations and technical limitations. Despite setbacks, the dream of AI persisted, fueled by the resilience of researchers and the rapid advancement of computing technology. The late 20th century marked a resurgence of interest in AI, characterized by breakthroughs in machine learning and expert systems. Innovations like IBM's Deep Blue, which famously defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov, captured the world's imagination. Simultaneously, neural networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, began to gain traction. These systems paved the way for the development of deep learning, enabling machines to process vast amounts of data and learn complex patterns. Today, artificial intelligence is omnipresent, powering an array of applications that touch every aspect of our lives. From virtual assistants that simplify our daily tasks to self-driving cars that navigate our roads with precision, AI has become an indispensable ally in our quest for progress. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, concerns about ethics, bias, and privacy have come to the forefront. Addressing these challenges requires a collective effort from policymakers, technologists, and society at large to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a manner that benefits all. Looking ahead, the future of artificial intelligence holds boundless possibilities. Emerging technologies like quantum computing and neural implants promise to unlock new frontiers of innovation. As we stand on the brink of a new era, one thing is certain: the journey of artificial intelligence is far from over. With each breakthrough, we inch closer to realizing the full potential of this remarkable technology. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of the history of artificial intelligence. Stay curious, stay inspired, and embrace the limitless possibilities of AI.